All before one. Yeah, my brother Juju and me and Julian Dan. Once I listen to you, I'm watching up the traffic jam. Police pull we over, talking about him shell crowd. Looking at him face, I know say he had that. I told you that from my shoulder, say the boy had it, man. I'm staying, man, I know it's been a cell coming from. I'm just smoking my water in a sip, yes I am. She said, one chance, once I go for grants. Let me say the license and the registration. And where are you going, what's your motivation? No surprise, I'm not feeling that take this to you. Signs in the paper, ready information. Now I take no streets, I get interrogation. What about me? What about me? What about me? If you want me, what me if you want me? Tell me down my station, cause dance, mama, dance, mama, dance, mama, dance, mama, dance, mama, dance, mama, well, I've been judging like a jury, I'm a old gas man, and you're catching good on my station, good on Julie and fire in England, and when you alright, keep the maga of flipping a different pattern. We don't go in a session, let's see Karam. Mama say we'll face your brother. Anywhere we go, let me know. Alright, that's mama, dance, mama, dance, now boys. Alright, right about now, I'm gonna invite on stage an ex-lion from the jungle scene. I and I good night train, here to celebrate the gun. No longer then, Spragga Bay!
God, I'm gonna tell them, say, I'm Rasta run the world, me tell them I'm Rasta run the world. Well, I'm Rasta run the world, me tell them I'm Rasta run the world. God, I'm box, they get the boy, them go and box, they get the girl, them telling no, them telling no, them telling no. God, I'm gonna tell them, say, I'm Rasta run the world, me tell them I'm Rasta run the world. Well, I'm Rasta run the world, me tell them I'm Rasta run the world. Well, one of the boy, them wear a cream up, one of the boy wear Jerry curl. I'm Rasta run the world, me tell them I'm Rasta. Alright, well, I'm Rasta give you the fullness, both the queen and both the pope. And Rasta give you the fullness, both the opium and the coke. And Rasta give you the vegetable, tell you to leave the pork. And Rasta make you know some man that got enough and need you again. And Rasta make you know the ganja good to smoke. And Rasta tell you to you're a Babylon, them a promote. The words of Mr. Marley, it's sure to give you hope. So that's the Christ our nation. I guess we tell them, say, you're Rasta run the world, we tell them Rasta run the world. Well, Rasta run the world, we tell them Rasta run the world. Cause I'm dogs, they get the boy, them one dogs, they get the girl, them telling them, them telling them, them telling them, them telling them, them telling them Rasta run the world, them telling them Rasta run the world. Well, Rasta run the world, we telling them Rasta run it. Well, one of the boy, them wear a cream up, one of the boy wear Jerry curl. They say, come sit down, because you know it go, a Jamaica. And from what's a dancer, we have more calling some more dancer artists. Ghost, where am I singer? Step cross my singer. That's what we do it, Bob Marley is a music. Music is life. My singer.
Come on, ladies and gentlemen. How did you think about me? Hey, the taller I become. Hey, how did you take my race away? Hey, the posture I Man, if you respect her, when you cut to me this family, wala.
Hush.
Wala.
Wow.
No, God, it's right. You pushing me. Thank you,
Come on, Steve Marley. Steve. I'm here to say that. Yeah. I see a Marley celebration. Hey! How would you feel if you wake up one morning and you feel like you want to disappear, but you because the police are you not trust me, sir? Alright, let me tell you something. Stop. Hush. This is Steve Marley them. And my brother them. I love them from morning. And you see them, and them make me be the man that I am today. Some just want to sing one song. We can sing one song, please. 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 Okay. Give me the rhythm, then catch a jump, let me hear the sound. Need the catch a jump, and make run down wrong. Catch a jump, let me hear the chant. Send the catch a jump, and make man bun down. Hey, catch a jump, let me hear the sound. Need the catch a jump, and make man bun down wrong. Catch a jump, let me hear the. How them a gonna feel move my Marley crowd car? When they get a beat, the reggae them defeat. When the music beat, them a beat, and everybody feels sweet. I just say no, I just a ragga beat, and everybody sweet. Alright, right now. Right now we come to celebrate that Marley birthday. Everybody who know we have for the one right away. Beanie upon the rhythm of the year when we say, when you swim Beanie man I say, remember what a good man got that man that take man to call. God in a me and not kill and destroy. One thing a dancehall, one thing a reggae. Bob Marley they are a Beanie man sister. Them nowadays like me just walk up so. Break it down. When I tell you that the time is getting critical, I don't want you to worry. You know I never want you to fret. When there is so much going on, there's something difficult. And only them same old Babylon trying to run things through. Now if you think that His Majesty is sleeping, He would have never let them have a lot come and stand on your right. There is a whole garage of righteous man out there. And we ain't nowhere. There is a whole barrage of righteous man in town. And we ain't no, we never gonna stop nowhere.
Are you satisfied? Wipe those tears from your eyes. I'm all alone still. You thought I was telling a lie. Are you satisfied? No one's with me tonight. Only Jah, and He's always by my. Oh, we go. Come on.
little woman, you don't trust me no more. You don't have to break down my door. I'm all alone. Happy birthday, Marley. Come inside and you will see. There's no one here but me. I told you I'll soon be over. Still you refuse to believe. If you know it, say it, come on. Are you? Wipe those tears from your. What's that? Winning without fighting is best. Lovers of war will perish. I know. Ready my bone sweet. Leadership don't need a nation. No. Love don't need retaliation. Big up Stephen Marley. If we don't stop these wars, who is gonna be at fault? If people break, they celebrate. Drink caviar, drink champagne. If people break, they celebrate. It's Bob Marley's birthday today.
They don't want to see us unite. All they want us to do is keep on fussing and fight. They don't want to see us live together.
King Kong.
All they want us to do is keep on fussing and fighting. Top brown came, are you skanking? Whoa, trouble again, and the world is getting nervous. Worries again, mankind better conscious. In a this a rumble jumble line, poor people pay the sacrifice. In a this a rumble jumble line, gonna cook some food and it can't taste right. It's the last year.
Yeah. Them when they grow in the yard around the gang, see?
Yeah, man, brother for
And
life.
the same one do one tune. How are you? I love you, yeah, that. That is true, yeah. Alright. Right now, I want to bring on a big brother of mine, see? Prophet. Ruben! Yeah.
Emancipation Park! All of you gonna do it, man, everybody sing this. I see the wicked man will dance so far, and all the righteous man. I know them back against the wall, them fall. I see the wicked man, I know you, and all the righteous man will have it. All over man, five fingers are here, five fingers are here. Oh, just, and I'm telling you what they do. Taylor, we don't deal with lazy people. We don't deal with tired people. Watch out, Taylor. The part of the show name. If your heart is not clean, don't put your hands in the air. And if you don't say good over evil, don't put your hands in the air. And if you don't say life over death, don't put your hands in the air. And if you don't say money over war, don't put your hands in the air. And if you don't respect your mother and your father, don't put your hands in the air. And if you don't respect yourself or you don't see yourself as a true human being of value that instills the morals and the principle, you can keep your hand on your side. And if you don't love Bob Marley, leave Emancipation Park. Can I see two hands in the air, please? Why? Give me out your buzzer. Looking at the park. Looking at the park. Lyrics. When it's like an infant, the whole of them a figure height. Pussy leading at the buckle, he must slip up and slide. Like a king fella send out the whole of them collide. In a Geneva conference, him took them by big surprise. Them could not take the power and a sell us the eyes. Well, all who did see till everything happy rise. And crown him the conqueror, the king of the world. I think black at the eyes, me say black man rise. Come off, and you come some pride. Say Babylon will them not stop victimized. Say Babylon them mentally paralyzed. The vision is them aim only that them provide. Righteousness the whole of them try avoid. Gods and maggots, Pharisees and scribe. All of them they when them know me arrive. And know me a go burn out all them evil vibes. And know me a go burn out all them war and strife. And know me a go burn out all them devil device. Fuck burn out the jacket and burn out the ties. Burn out the fabrication and burn out the lies. Burn out the trade and burn out the spies. Then they get to open them to centralize. Then they get to open them to organize. Food is coming from the cell, only coming from the eyes. Well, that simply mean that our bees are alive. Then let me see your anthem from your have to survive. Let me see your anthem from your have to stay alive. Let me see your anthem from your non bill no strive. What? Belly to belly, me say you side to side. Sit it down, look it at the woman eyes. Woman, them up to me like a leaf from the eye. To me, no of the saddle, no of you ride. 2 minute business, then you have to avoid. Holy Emmanuel, I Selassie, Jah! Bob Marley place with you, what I do? When I say Jah, you say Rastafari. Jah! Rastafari. That me a deal with. Good over evil. Life over there. Money over war. Now over it. Yeah man, Selassie first. Father Junior.
Modern vampires of the city, hunting dead. You could have come from Eva, you come from John. Come from fire outside, you come from the world. You could have come from Libya, you come from America. You could have come from Europe, you come from Africa. You could have been an Irishman or an Englishman. Could have been a Mexican or with a Pakistan. One hand. Yeah, hear me? You know why you sing one word in Spanish? Because you know, say no Spanish people in the place, you know. Si venite, yeah. Si venite, iete, o venite Panama. Si venite. Una sangre, una sangre, una sangre. Si venite sala, si venite Ecuador, si venite iete, o venite. Una sangre. Yo. Compañero, quiero que sea sincero. Whoa, está your heart. Compañero, whoa, quiero que sea sincero. Starting one, se si venite iete o venite Italy, si venite una sangre, una sangre, una sangre. Se si venite Guatemala o venite Ecuador, si venite iete o venite Italy, una sangre, una sangre. Compañero, quiero que sea sincero, oh, está en your heart. Compañero, quiero que sea sincero, studying you could have come from Rima, you come from Jungle. You could have come from Fire House, you come from One Lord. Yeah, hold on. We don't go up on the 1, 2. Come on, say, play for the instrument of 10 string. And you're going instrument of 10 string and human temper. 5 pound and 5 pound. So put it, yeah, give me 1, 2. Yeah. So we're charting on the walls at Jericho. Mashing up the earth, get you see one of these try.
Politician them a Santa fraud. Give the youth them guns a tie. Do you ever make a circle? Down in my heart jungle before. Not to mention Portmore, a 7 youth man's Colombo. Riot in the prison, Rockers Island, Port Augusta GP. In Babylon it's time you see, it's time to set the captive free. Do you ever spend a night in 100-man lock before? Not to mention penitentiary, see the youth them sleeping on the floor. Don't wanna leave out in the sea. Guess I want to leave on the shore. And why they have my people, have them living in Portmore. Out of 1 million people, we all one family. Why can't I be your friend? Why have to be your enemy? Do you ever make a circle up a bubble camp before? 10 miles from the bloody city, Emmanuel living so pure. Birds that sing and fly around the altar of the Most High.